Well, welcome back to another After 6 Cocktails video. And today we're going to make the orange blossom. Well, if you can guess by the title, it has orange juice. I'm just going to use Tropicana orange juice. I didn't buy any oranges at the store and I don't feel like juicing them. It also has simple syrup. As I said, I don't feel like making this, so I'm not. So let's see how we can do it. So it's an ounce of gin. Still gonna use my Plymouth. Don't know why, don't know any of this history shit. Yeah. Now it's a Tropicana orange juice. So this is the orange blossom. Needs more orange juice. That gin flavor is too strong. It needs more orange juice, in my opinion. So, in my opinion, I would do 2 ounces of orange juice and 1 ounce of gin. Maybe I should try a different gin with that. But this is my opinion. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.